If you are currently living in the UK, planning to work here, or hoping to settle here in the future, there are some major immigration changes that you need to know about. One of the biggest topics right now is the proposed earned settlement system. For many years, people on qualifying work visas could normally apply for indefinite leave to remain, or ILR, after 5 years. But under the proposed system, the standard settlement period could increase to 10 years for many work routes. And for some roles below RQF Level 6, including many care-related jobs, the proposed settlement period could be as long as 15 years. Another important point is that settlement may no longer depend only on how long you have lived in the UK. Your immigration history, English language ability, income, contribution to the UK, and continuous lawful residence could all become important. Some people may be able to reduce their qualifying period, depending on things like their income, visa category, public service work, or higher English language ability. But certain issues with immigration history or other requirements could also make the settlement journey longer. So if you are already in the UK and working towards ILR, this is definitely something you should keep an eye on. Now let's talk about the graduate visa changes. This is especially important for international students who are planning to stay and work in the UK after completing their studies. For bachelor's and master's graduates, the graduate route is set to become shorter. For applications made on or after January 1st, 2027, the graduate visa period will be reduced from 2 years to 18 months. PhD graduates will still have 3 years. This means future graduates may have less time to find a suitable job and move onto a skilled worker visa. So if you are an international student, career planning and starting your job search early could become much more important. Now, let's talk about the skilled worker visa. The skilled worker route has also become much harder for many applicants. The general salary threshold has increased to £41,700, and for many jobs the required skill level has moved to RQF Level 6. Because of these changes, some jobs that previously qualified for sponsorship may no longer be eligible. It could also become much harder for people looking for lower paid or entry-level jobs to find an employer who can sponsor them. So before accepting a job or planning to switch visas, it is important to check whether the role actually meets the current sponsorship requirements. And now, let's talk about care worker visas. This is another area where we have seen major changes. Overseas recruitment for certain care worker and senior care worker roles was closed in July 2025. There are also restrictions on bringing dependents for many care workers. And people who are already working in the UK can face a difficult situation if their sponsor loses its license, especially because there are now fewer sponsorship opportunities available in this sector. On top of that, under the proposed settlement changes, some care workers could face a much longer route towards ILR. So if you are currently working in the care sector, make sure you understand your visa conditions and keep checking any official updates that could affect your status. Overall, these changes could have a major impact on international students, skilled workers, care workers, and people who are planning their long-term future in the UK. And remember, some of the settlement changes I mentioned are still proposals. The final rules could be different when they are officially introduced. If you have any questions about UK immigration, ILR, graduate visas, skilled worker visas, or care worker visas, leave your question in the comments below. And if there is a specific UK immigration topic you would like me to cover in another video, let me know in the comments as well. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to Hassan Adventure Diaries and share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who may find this information helpful. Thanks for watching.